In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Outlook. We'll be creating a calendar event and then adding either a standard notification reminder or an email reminder, depending on what works best for you. This is a useful way to make sure you don't miss meetings, deadlines, follow-ups, or any personal tasks you want. Outlook to help you remember. To begin, go to your Outlook email inbox. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand vertical menu of icons and click on the calendar icon. This will switch you from your inbox into your calendar view, where reminders are typically attached to events. Next, in the top left area of the calendar, click on New Event. This opens the event creation window, where you can enter all the details Outlook needs in order to remind you at the right time. Start by clicking into the title field and typing the title of your event. Make the title clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later when the reminder appears. After that, click into the larger text field and add a description. This is a good place to include any extra context or notes you may want to see when the reminder comes up. Now look at the horizontal row of icons above the event, details, and click on the alarm icon. This is where you control how and when Outlook reminds you. From the list, choose when you want to be reminded. Outlook gives you several options, including 5 minutes before, 15 minutes before, 30 minutes before, 1 hour before, 2 hours before, 12 hours before, 1 day before, or even 1 week before. Pick the timing that best matches the importance and preparation time needed for the event. If you'd prefer, you can also use an email reminder instead. To do that, click on Add Email Reminder, then click on Add Email Reminder again if prompted. A new field will appear where you can enter the reminder message. Type the message you want included in that email reminder. Keep it short and useful so the purpose of the reminder is immediately clear when you receive it. Once your reminder settings are in place, click Save. After that, click Save again in the top left of the calendar view to save the event itself. And that's it. Your Outlook reminder is now set. Using calendar reminders like this can make a big difference in staying organized, especially if you rely on Outlook throughout your day.